Where MDL certainly differentiate in the marketplace is with the multidisciplined personnel within the business. We have a good strong mix of software, electrical, hydraulic and mechanical personnel. Certainly each member of staff that we send offshore has got a minimum of 2 of those disciplines, meaning that we can do the job in a more efficient manner and deliver within schedule. The business as a whole has an extensive range of experienced specialist services, and what I mean by specialist services, we've supplied packages in the past that have integrated with other manufacturers' equipment, so we can take complicated systems and do upgrades on those complicated systems, be it control system upgrades or fire pump system upgrades, all involved with automation. We've got very experienced hydraulic technicians within MDL who have worked extensively on reel drive systems, but the installation of those reel drive systems and associated kit means they've delivered pipework installations, they've done flushing, they've done condition monitoring, and all those services can be extended out to a wider client base. It's like the turnkey package where you've got software, you've got electrical support, you've got hydraulic support, mechanical support for a whole turnkey operation. Moving forward, we'll be looking to continue to develop in the oil and gas sector with oil and gas operators on platforms. We'll be supporting the MMSCs, we'll be supporting drilling contractors. We already work on FPSOs, but there's a great opportunity to extend our servicing on FPSOs. We're already venturing well into the renewables market, and there's great opportunities in industrial and energy as well. MDL have a very strong record and are very respected, especially with back deck equipment. So there'll be an easy transition to move into other areas with the knowledge we have on board and the client being totally comfortable with MDL as a company.